So, for those of y'all who's wondering what the bike looks like on the 14s, here's what it looks like. The swing arm, for those who don't know, that is a swing arm, which is 4 point, I believe, 8. It's just under 5 inches longer than the stock swing arm. So that's how it looks with a 14. It's a 140/70/14 in the rear, and that's a 120/70/14 in the front. Now in the front, I'm actually running the bracket, which because of last night, I ended up getting caught up in the what is it? Sunset. There you go. Sunset on me. So I just put it together real quick. But yeah, got the brackets on it that it comes with the 14s to lift the fender, which a part of me wants to see how it looks like with it down, because I don't know, it's just a nice size gap right there that I'm not sure if I really like. So I might give it a shot without the adapter on it just to see how it looks. But I just had to change the kickstand because it was too short. And with this kickstand currently that I got on it now with the 14s, it sits up straight, perfectly straight. I don't like that. Now the kickstand that I might end up switching to might be this one right here. I might give this one a shot real quick just to see how this one sits. But I'm definitely gonna have to get a kickstand for this bike. But yeah, 14s. I got the speed spacers still. Got the seals on the front, which I gotta clean as well. I didn't realize I got it that dirty yesterday. But I got the spacers up front with the seals. In the rear, there was supposed to be a seal on this side, but it didn't fit. So with that being said, I didn't put a seal on it. Now, got to do some cleaning up. The bearings, I actually have to grease the bearings. I just put them in the wheels just to get this on, because yeah, I got plans, I got things to take off and whatnot. But yeah, rotors on it, those are new rotors, newish rotors. Getting this one ready to pull that engine off so I can just put the engine on when the day comes that the engine comes in. Yeah, I gotta get ready to order that. So yeah, let me get to doing what I'm about to do. But just wanted to give y'all a visual representation of the 14s on the bike. I'm kind of trying to prolong it a little bit because I just want y'all to see it in all its glory and all the angles. She look good. It definitely sits up higher too. I just wish it would fucking run. But the reason why is because the threads on the flywheel side of the crankshaft are stripped. So with that being said, yeah, I don't feel like tearing that engine apart, even though that's the same exact engine that's in that bike. I'm not doing that again. So with that being said, yeah, I'm just gonna Daytona 190 4-valve. Yeah. Oh yeah. Speed spacers in the rear, and I got the this is the cushless hub. Still running the cushless hub on this bike. Yeah.